Good morning, everyone. Just observe this picture. What you can see here? Yes, this is the picture of sea, right? Here you can see coconut tree, boats are there, birds are flying, steamer is going on. Have you ever visited sea? Yes, you might have visited sea in Somnath or Deep or Dwarka, right? So it is easy for you to write some sentences on the sea or the seashore. Today's topic that is she, so that can be asked as a short note, as a composition or as a picture description. So are you ready for that? Okay, let's start. The seashore is a beautiful place. The sand is soft. There are shells in the sand. There are many people in the seashore. Here you can see that people are here. They are just enjoying the sea. Here you can see the trees are there. You can mention that there are coconut trees. There are shells are there. There are many aquatic animals are there. Right? Sand, it is very soft. You can add whatever you want to add in this. Okay. Some children are playing with a ball. Some are bathing in the sea. Some are making sand castles in the sand. Sand castles. Here you can see the picture of sand castle. Here also that some children, they are making sand castle. There are hawkers and balloon men. If you have visited seashore, you can see that many hawkers and many balloon men are there. Hawkers, they are selling some things, food items or toys or flowers or any other things. And balloon men, they sell the balloon. Here you can see fishermen. Here one boy, he is also catching fish. Here some people, they are catching the fish with the help of net, right? So there are some fishermen on the sea and they are in the boat. So here these are some sentences that you can write in your notebook. Thank you.